an outdated kitchen or bathroom? Hi, I'm Eric Thiel with Thiel's Home Solutions. We can give your home that modern, one-of-a-kind look that you've been dreaming of at a price you can afford. With Thiel's Home Solution, your kitchen or bathroom model couldn't be any
This is an emergency action notification message from the White House. All regular programming has been temporarily discontinued to broadcast this message. This is WOI 5 serving the Des Moines operational area. We will continue to serve this area. An important message will play shortly. Stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the United States government, and the United Nations. This is not a test. A confirmed global catastrophe is unfolding. At 5:27 a.m. Central Time is not a test on October 6th. This is an emergency action notification made from the White House. All regular programming has been temporarily discontinued to broadcast astronomical units away from. This is WOI 5 serving the Des Moines operational area. As confirmed as you will continue to serve this area. This is an emergency action notification shortly from the White House. All regular programming has been temporarily discontinued to broadcast which has a gravitational following WOI 5 serving the Des Moines operational aeronautics and space that will continue to serve the United States government and the United States will play short calculations and us following 7 hours away from the global catastrophe. In your last 7 hours, 5:27 a.m. following messages events on October 6th was the national escape from that.